Are you fed up of seeing that instance pop out on your DM screen already? Despite how useful the extra feature is, that's a little bit annoying. It does get in the way a bit, doesn't it? Well, the good news is that it's really easy to turn off and you can rid yourself of instance forever. It's really simple to do. All you have to do is hit the burger sign at the top right and scroll down to the what you can see section, and there's a content preferences in there. Go to the bottom of the content preferences section and you see instance, and you can toggle that switch and you can turn, it'll hide instance. It's really easy, really simple to do. But what you also want to do is turn off notifications as well. So once you've done that, you can come out of that section, go back up to the top of your settings sections, and you can click on notifications, then go to the bottom of notifications, and in there you'll see instance, and in instance you want to turn off those two settings, and then that will then turn off all notifications for instance. Nice and simple, and in that way you've rid yourself of the instance immediately. I think it's a quite nice little feature that you can use to just share instant, immediate, on the spot images to your friends or close friends. So I think it's quite nice, but I get it if it's annoying to you, because it is quite a bit painful having that pop up. That's it, nice and simple. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Give the video a like, go on, do it just this once. And if you're enjoying my Instagram content, then why not subscribe to the channel? That'd be awesome. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Cheerio.